Welcome back to Storrito. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect your Instagram account to Storrito. If you're new here, Storrito is a desktop tool that allows you to create, edit, schedule, and automatically post Instagram stories without needing your phone. You can add stickers like links and mentions, schedule stories for Instagram and Facebook, manage multiple accounts or brand profiles, and work collaboratively as a team. So before you can start scheduling stories, you'll need to connect your Instagram account, which is what we're going to do today. To make sure the connection goes smoothly, there are a few important things to prepare on your Instagram account first. This part takes 1 minute, but avoids 90% of connection issues later. Step 1. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. 2FA is really important for the security of your account. To turn it on, open the Instagram app, go to your profile, then to the menu, and then to the Meta Account Center. Tap Password and Security, tap Two-Factor Authentication, choose your Instagram account, and select Authenticator app as your method. Follow the steps on screen to enable it, and save your backup code somewhere safe. Step 2. Confirm you can log in normally. Before connecting to Storrito, check your username, password, and your 2FA system. This will save you a lot of time as you won't have to check during the connection process. Step 3. Make sure your Instagram account is a professional account. This is optional, but recommended. While Storrito works with both private and professional accounts, most of our users benefit from switching to business or creator accounts, as it gives you more access to Instagram features and analytics later. Now let's go through the connection process step by step. Step 1. Log into Storrito. Open your browser, go to storrito.com, log in or create a new account, and once you're inside your workspace, you'll see your dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Instagram Accounts area. On the left-hand side, click Instagram Accounts. This is where all your connections live. Step 3. Click Connect Instagram Account. A connection window will appear. Step 4. You'll see a login screen that mirrors Instagram's own login flow. Enter your username and your password. Then click Continue. Step 5. Enter your 2FA code or verify your 2FA method. You will now be asked to verify your 2FA method. Please choose the method that you have set up in your Instagram account, or one of them. As we recommend the Authenticator app, that's what we'll show you now. Please enter your 6-digit authentication code. To find this, open your Authenticator app, find the code, and type it into the window. Then press Continue. This is important as it verifies to Instagram that you are authorizing your connection. Step 6. Now you're connected. Once the login is approved, Storrito will add the Instagram account to your dashboard, show its status as connected, and allow you to start scheduling stories and reels immediately. From here, you can go straight into the story editor to create your first post, or you can connect additional accounts if you manage multiple brands. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now successfully connected to Storrito. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video or leave a comment with what you'd like to see next, more editing tutorials, posting tips, or scheduling best practices. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your stories with Storrito.